Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is John, the owner of the channel. Do you know that Indonesia ranked third for countries producing most plastic garbage in the world? You don't know? Check this out. And do you know that electricity in this country not delivered so well? Check this out. That's why I want to show you my creation that I believe can help solving this kind of problem a little bit. Together, we also can contribute in saving our Mother Earth. Are you ready? And this is my creation, the long-lasting emergency light that made of plastic bottle and candlestick. Wanna know how to make it? Go on. First of all, we prepare the material and tools that we use in this work. Used bottle, water, use cooking oil, anti-mosquito lotion, candlestick, ruler, screw, knife, stapler, scissors, lighter, and marker. Now we begin with step 1. As high as 11 cm from the bottom, draw the line around the used bottle. Cut the bottle along the line. Step 2. Take the remainder of cut bottle. Find a straight line around it. Cut it along this line and make at least 4 holes on it. Step 3. Make a hole on the bottle cap. Use screw to make some little holes on the cap. With screw and scissors, enlarge the hole to become one big hole. In step 4, we cut the candlestick 2 to 3 cm from the bottom and put it through the hole of the bottle cap. Then fix the cap and candlestick to the upper part of the bottle. In step 5, we pour the used cooking oil into the lower part of used bottle and mix it with anti-mosquito lotion. Step 6. Fix the upper part and lower part of the bottle with stapler. Step 7. Pour water into the construction until full and cut the candle wick. You can now ignite the candlestick. And well done! We've finished our work now. You can use this for hours, especially when your electricity switches off for a long time. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, support me by giving it a like and comment, subscribe my channel, and share it to your friends.